So this is a story of the Triple F, the failed furniture flip. I'm not talking about those furniture flips where you want to burn it or you want to donate it and hope no one knows that you did it. I'm not talking about that kind. I'm talking about the kind where you paint it and you accidentally fall in love with it for yourself. But I'm sure most of us don't need to fill our houses with furniture.
Here I am spraying the paintbrush and using DIY's Farm Fresh to put the base coat on the coffee table. Here the idea is just get the paint on. It's just the base coat.
I painted the coffee table for you guys so you could see it happening, my process. Started my process off and I was not liking the direction it was going at all. And I was struggling, like, why am I struggling painting a piece of furniture? But it was because I had the camera on me, and for some reason, that was hard. It was really hard for me to let go and paint how I wanted to.
Now it's time to blend. I added some faded burlap and a custom color that I mixed with the Farm Fresh and a little bit of gray, and just blend until you're happy with the look.
I don't know if it was out of fear of judgment that, oh no, they're gonna think I'm doing it wrong, or I don't know why, but I struggled. And so it wasn't until I sat down with my husband and had a conversation about my process that I was able to let go, and I was able to paint this coffee table for you guys.
Here I'm just adding more color and blending until I get the look that I'm going for.
I just let go of myself, put myself into the piece of furniture. As furniture artists, that's what we tend to do. And to get good pieces, we have to be able to do that instead of trying to do something we're not.
Here I'm just continuing to blend, not thinking about it, just doing what feels right.
As I'm painting this piece of furniture, I'm really liking how it's going. It never occurred to me that I was going to want it for myself at all, because I had an ottoman sitting here that was serving our purposes just fine. So I wasn't even painting it for myself. I wasn't painting it thinking that I was going to keep it.
It's time for wax. Here I am applying the first coat of wax. This is DIY's Decrepit Dust that I'm applying on the coffee table and wiping it back.
We're waiting for the wax to dry so I can buff it. And I'm looking at it and I'm like, wait a minute. It matches my pillows. Both of them. Both of them. It matches my pillows. See? I have them like that so you can see. It matches.
Here I'm taking a Paint Pixie buffing brush to buff out the finish.
And then I looked at my husband and I said, you're gonna have to convince me not to keep this. Like, I know I painted it to put it into my booth that I have, but I don't want to. I like it. And it matches our furniture. And surely I could think of a place to put that ottoman somewhere else. So I need for you to convince me that I don't need it. And I wait, and I'm waiting for him to be like, you don't need it. We'll just put it in the shop. You know, somebody else could use it. You don't need it. Guys, do you think that's what he said? Nope. He said, good, because I want to keep it. What you don't know is it used to be his. This, before I painted it, was a well-loved, ugly coffee table from his bachelor days. And we still have it. Almost 10 years later, here it is. But I was able to give it new life, and now he loves it, and I love it. Do you have a failed furniture flip? Have you painted something that you didn't intend on keeping, and then you painted it, and you fell in love with it, and then you realized that you painted it to match something in your house? Anybody? Can you relate? If you can, put in the comments below what it was, and let me know what your failed furniture flip was. Because I know I'm not the only one. I know it's not just me that this happens to. As furniture artists, we're gonna keep some of our work, right? All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
For products used in this video, visit grumpuschescharm.com. Like and subscribe for more.